am Bharat Kumar. First of all, I would like to thank Agriman College, Vidhi Priya Center, to providing me to the opportunity to develop that development project under the title of Hard Issue Predictive Testing Electromechanical System. Project has will be Hard Issue Predictive Testing Electromechanical System. Actually, this was the osteoporosis. It's called the space on bone cracks will be comes in the bones. That's called the osteoporosis. Actually, my project was to identify that spaces, bones, holes, some cracks, to identify that defects. This is my project. This to be needs of my project is to previously I telling that one. The properties of bones and the characteristics of the bones, this will be identified in my projects. These are the parts we will use in the project. The part name is parts all environmental chamber and rods, specimen holders, guide rods, sensor units and micro stepper motors. These kind of motors and these parts all we are using in that projects. And output of my project is to identify that damage of hard tissue bones and characteristics of that bones. And if you are testing that bone, it will how much it will compress and elaborations. These kind of things we will identify in that project. And this is our design. This is right now we have made some designs in this one. This one is the side view, and this one is the 3D view of this my project. And these are that motors and guide rods. Up and down, we are giving the force on these areas up and down. We are using some motors here, and inside of that motor, guide rod will come under that motor. And here we will given the environmental chamber. In that environment chamber, we are fixing that hard tissue bones. And yes, we are using some. This is our 3D model. You can see this plate and motors and guide rods will be fixed in that some areas. This is our plate, and we made this one actually. We'll fix in some that guide rod and motors will be fixed in these areas. This is our main frame of that project. We are supporting here. That plates and motors will be supporting here only. And these parts will hold in that some drive motors. Here we'll fix that motors shaft. And this one is a translation motor mounting. That motor shaft will come under this area, and these poles will be fixed in that previous table. These points we will fix in that one. These are the motors we have procured. We have procured this one. These are our parts we have procured these parts. This was stepper motors and drive motors. This one is the drive. This also drive. It's we have made these plates. We have made some laser cutting on that part. It will fix in that motor cover. Here we will fix that one. These are the supporting plates. It's we will fix in that main panel. We are fixing the main panel, and this is the inner. We will give that guide rod. Inner side we are giving that screw rod. That's called the guide rod. And we are given the torque on this motor. During these are the cables I am using in my projects, and we are given some torque that this area will be movement will comes in these areas. We will given some force on that hard tissue bones. During that force, how much they will distance that force, that we will be recorded. The result will be will evaluate that tensile stress and flexure compression and fatigue cracks, some how much load will be withstand that bone. This we will be evaluate that. Actually, right now, whatever I am telling, that's all we are procured that parts. And as per our design, we are procuring that part. And some parts we want to manufacture the part. That designs we have done, some parts we have done that designs. And these are the main plate. This we want to manufacture that one. That process is a laser cutting and some drilling operations is there that we want to do. And if the problem in that part, if we are increase that hole diameter, that motor will not fix in this area. These are the difficulties in that plate, that hole diameter and the distance of these holes. These are the very important points in that plate. And these are the procurement parts. That means these panels we are made that one. In future we will done that one. That part we are not able to done in the single material. We are using two. Here we are made a two material and we are joining that L shape using some grub screws and Allen bolt. That kind of bolts we are using that. And it will be that square tube. It's not a bar. It's a square tube because that weight will be reduced. And that casting is it's cheaper than that rod. You are seeing this one. It comes under that motor. Here we are fixing that area. That plates we are here fixing on this area. If we are increase that some like 0.1 or 0.2, we are increasing some diameters in that plate. It will not guide this area. So that torque will not come. The order we are expecting the torque, it will not come. So these are the critical areas. This we want to make that VNC operations. And, right now we are planning on this. These parts are we are planning and some designs we have done it. In the future we want to manufacture that one and assemble that one. And we'll testing that. So we have given some programs for that torques and whatever we have done in that future, I will update in the next session. Thank you for the being opportunity.